welcome back to Simple Man's Barbecue. I'm Jason. Today, y'all want to do a tri-tip, man? Well, let's do a tri-tip. And for my wife, I'm going to do a chuck roast because she loves chuck roast. And I wanted to show y'all something. I've already got my tri-tip all seasoned up. I'm using the Dos Pendejos rub on my tri-tip. In case y'all haven't noticed, I've been using my Dos Pendejos on everything. Thank you, Brother James. And I got right here is a chuck roast, a choice grade chuck roast. And if y'all can see the color, it looks kind of brownish. This is good till tomorrow. I got this special price at Kroger. I got it for like $4 because it is going out of date tomorrow. But just because it's this color, don't be afraid, guys. My wife is kind of afraid of this color right now. But I'm going to prove to her that once I get this cooked up, this is going to be one of the most delicious pieces of meats she's ever had. So let's go ahead and get this seasoned up, and we're going to put it on the pit barrel cooker. Both of these pieces of meat should be good. So what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to go ahead and get this out to the pit barrel cooker. I've already got my chimney lighted up, and yes, I finally gave in. I got me a little chimney. It's a little Weber chimney about this big. I didn't get it from the pit barrel cooker. I got it from Walmart. I think I paid like $5 for it or something like that.
I'll show you out there.
But I'll show y'all out there. But I got the chimney out there lit up, ready to go. So let's go ahead and get on the pit barrel cooker real quick. All right, folks, as y'all can see, my beautiful Weber chimney here. My ashes are ready to go. I don't know if y'all can see the flames popping out on top. But I'm going to go ahead and dump this in, and we're going to get the meat on. Want to get a shot of this?
I'm scared.
Oh, don't be scared. There's nothing to be scared of. There. And today, folks, I'm going to cook it on the grates. And what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to get this tri-tip to about 120 degrees. And then I'm going to take it inside, and I'm going to finish it on my cast iron griddle, because I believe I can get a better sear on there than I can this pit barrel cooker. So we'll go ahead and do that, and I'm going to finish this whole thing off the chuck roast. I'm going to finish the whole thing on the pit barrel cooker, and it's going to be delicious. So first goes the tri-tip. There we go. Then goes the chuck roast. All right, folks, I'm going to go ahead and let that go. And then next time I see y'all, we're going to go back in the house and we're going to sear this tri-tip on my griddle on the stove top. Okay, folks, we're back. So right now I got this to 120, my tri-tip. And like I said, I'm going to bring it in here on my Lodge griddle. And I'm going to finish searing it off in here because I think I can get a better sear on here than definitely I could on the pit barrel cooker. So I'm going to put down a little dab of butter. Get that nice and melted down there. Come over here now. There we go. Alright, folks, let's go ahead and get this tri-tip on. Alright, don't be scared. Getting a nice sear on it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my thermopin and try to keep an eye on the temperature. So right now I'm at 128 right here, so that's actually higher than I want it to be. Because I'm not trying to go any higher than 100 and 135. So, because I don't want to get it too done. I like to keep it in the medium rare range. So, alright folks, now we're going to go ahead and give this a quick flip. As you can see, we got a nice sear right here on this side right there. And that's much better than I could have got on the pit barrel cooker. So, alright folks, we're all done now. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and let's go ahead and cut into it, okay? Alright folks, I went ahead and let this rest for about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut into this and we're going to see what we look like. Now, this is another first for me. I've never done the tri-tip before, so we're going to see how this turns out. So let's wish me luck, guys. It looks like the grain of the meat is running this way. So I guess I'm going to start cutting it this way against the grain. So I'll start right here. It looks a little done there. It looks a little too done. Yeah, it looks like it got, that's like a full cook right there. There's a little bit of pinkness in there, but yeah, I could probably cook that a little bit too much. It looks almost fully done. I do like my steaks to be medium rare, so definitely not too happy with this. But as I get a little bit more into the middle, I can see a little bit more pink now, and I'm really starting to like that. I don't know if y'all can pick that up with the light. My light in here sucks. I don't know if y'all can pick that pinkness up right there, but that's starting to look a little bit better. Come on now. Yeah, it's starting to look a little bit better as I get more in the middle of it. I'd like it to be a little bit more pink than that. So for my first try, I'm pretty happy with that. For my first try, I'm going to get me another one though, so I can try this again and hopefully get a little bit more pink in the middle. But let's go ahead and cut into this, or take a bite of this and see how it tastes. Do you want to take a bite?
Oh, they're well done.
My wife doesn't really like her meat, any kind of pink in her meat.
Don't want it to walk away.
Yeah. But, yeah, you want to try one of these other ends? Because it looks like it's a little bit more cooked.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Here you go, folks. This one right here. Tender. Nice and rare right there. So let's go ahead and take a bite.
Wow, that's delicious. Delicious.
Mmm.
Very juicy and tender.
I've never had tri-tip before, folks. Ever. I've looked many places to try to get tri-tip. None of my local Kroger, my local Walmart, even my Tom Thumb, I can't find it. I found some at Winco. I don't know if y'all know about Winco or ever go there, but I finally found a tri-tip at Winco. So I went ahead and bought it. And like I said, this is my first time to try to cook it. It's a wonderful piece of steak, delicious piece of meat. I think I can do better on it. I really do. I want to get another one, and I want to try this again. But that was definitely delicious, this right here. But I do believe I can do better on it. The more I do it, I know the more I can perfect it. But later on, I'm gonna go ahead and when that finishes, I'm gonna get my chuck roast off there that I'm doing for my wife, and we're gonna cut into that too and see how that tastes. And we'll see you back here in a little bit. All right, folks, we're done with the chuck roast now. It's been on the pit barrel cooker for about 6 hours, so it cooked pretty quickly. And it's been resting for about an hour, so it's been in total about 7 hours. And my wife, I asked her if she wanted me to shred it, if she wanted me to cut it up, chop it up. She said she wanted me to slice it, kind of like a brisket. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice it for her. So let's go ahead and start right about here. Oh, you want to get a picture of that real quick? Oh, okay. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this.
Smells so good.
Oh man, it's tender as ever. It's so tender, folks. It's like butter. I don't know if y'all can see, there's a little bit of a smoke ring there. There's not a whole lot, but there's a little bit of a smoke ring. Oh man, that smell though. It does smell wonderful. Let me take a bite of this real quick. You want to take a bite? Oh well, she already took a bite.
It's so good.
You like that?
It has a wonderful bark on it. I love that. It's so good.
Delicious.
One of my favorite meats that you make.
There's a reason why they call that a poor man's brisket. This tastes exactly like brisket. If you were to go blindfolded and take a taste test of this, I promise you folks, you would think it tastes just like brisket. And y'all remember the color of this, right? It had that brownish oxidized color. And look, this tastes just like a fresh piece of meat, man. You would never tell the difference. So you like the way, and believe me, my wife is picky as hell, man.
It's delicious.
She doesn't just eat anything. So if she says it's delicious, it's delicious. Listen, folks, I appreciate y'all watching today. The tri-tip, the chuck roast. I had a lot of fun doing this today. I appreciate you all watching. Thank you so much for always coming back to support my video and for support my channel. And God bless you all. And do me a favor, please like and subscribe. Make sure to keep it simple. And if y'all have any questions, if there's anything you'd like to see me do, don't be shy to hit me up, man. Once again, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.